Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If your Hisense TV is acting up, maybe it's frozen, not responding, or you just want to start fresh, you might be wondering, where exactly is the reset button on a Hisense TV? In this video, I'll show you where to find it and how to use it. Section 1. Location of the reset button. Most Hisense TVs, especially the Smart TV models, come with a small reset button. You won't see a big button on the front. It's usually hidden. Look at the back of your TV, or sometimes on the side panel near the HDMI or USB ports. You'll see a tiny pinhole labeled Reset. Section 2. How to use the reset button. Once you find it, here's how to reset your Hisense TV. Keep your TV powered on. Gently press and hold the reset button using a paperclip. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TV turns off and restarts. When it powers back on, it will be restored to factory settings. Section 3. What happens after reset? Keep in mind, a factory reset will erase all your apps, settings, Wi-Fi login, and accounts. It will feel like you just unboxed your TV. So only use this if your TV has serious issues or if you want a fresh start. Section 4. Alternative reset method, no button. Now, if your model doesn't have a reset button, don't worry. You can also reset from the TV's menu. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Then, choose Factory Data Reset. That will do the same thing as the button. Conclusion. And that's it. That's where the reset button is on a Hisense TV and how you can reset it easily. Hopefully this helps you get your TV back to normal. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.